Hello guys, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to share with you what I think that is the best affiliate program or product or service, whatever you want to call it, that you can use to earn some cash aside. And I'm talking about a Warrior Plus product, and actually it is Traffic Blaster Pro. It is a traffic generator service, and let me tell you right away, you are not gonna get a lot of clicks on a daily basis, but those clicks that you are gonna get every day are very, very valuable. And I always like to compare them with solo ad clicks. Now, I'm not gonna go into too much details about this product because I already have a video about it, and it's this one here. You can check it out, and you can also click the video on the end screen of this one. But I'm just gonna go ahead to my Warrior Plus account dashboard, and I'm gonna show you the commissions that I got from this product in the past 30 days. So let me just go to my Warrior Plus account, and there it is. Now I don't have to tell you any more words about this, because you can see right here these are all affiliate earnings from Traffic Blaster: a 6-month subscription, another additional link that you can promote, an additional spot, another 6-month subscription, etc, etc. So as you can see, I already have just from this product $10 completed, which means that I can withdraw them, and another $55.31 pending, because as you may know, it takes up to 30 days for a affiliate commission to be completed. All right, now these first three are already completed, because it has been already over a month since I've earned these commissions, and now I'm gonna get these other ones. Okay, so like I said, I'm not gonna go into too much details about Traffic Blaster, but basically is a traffic generator software. All you have to do is purchase a subscription, which there are two options: a monthly one or a 6-month subscription, which I strongly recommend you purchase because it's very, very convenient. All right, and all you have to do afterwards is submit the link that you want to promote to get traffic to, and that's it. You don't have to log in on a daily basis, you don't have to click on any ads or whatever else you are used to do on traffic exchange sites, for example. All right, and I strongly recommend, again, you use a capture page or a landing page or whatever you want to use, as long as it has an opt-in form, because as you might have heard before, and it's true, the money is in the list indeed. Also, don't forget to set up your email series, follow-up emails. All right, so I'm gonna leave my referral link in the description of this video, and for more details, please just go ahead and click this video on the screen to see some results from this product. Alright, hopefully you'll make the right decision. I'll see you in there. Cheers.